two gases A and B are filled at the same pressure in separate cylinders with movable pistons of radius Ra and Rb respectively. On supplying an equal amount of heat to both the systems reversibly under constant pressure, the piston of gas A and B are displaced by 16 cm and 9 cm respectively. If the change in their internal energy is the same, then the ratio Ra by Rb is. So, two gases A and B are filled at the same pressure. So, the pressure is same. Now, let's assume this is the cylinder with a piston here. Now, if A is the area of this piston and due to applying pressure it comes a distance x in this direction, so the change in volume will be A into x. So, the volume V, that is the change in volume of the gas, will be A into x. Now, area into the displacement. Now, there are two gases A and B and both are at the same pressure. So, we know that, and both are applied equal amount of heat. Now, we know from the first law of thermodynamics, that is delta Q is equal to delta U plus work done, that is P delta V. Now, both are given an equal amount of heat. So, delta Q is same for both, and if the change in their internal energy is the same, so the delta U part is also same. So, P dV is also same. So, P into delta V A is equal to P into delta V B, because the pressure, applied pressure is also same. Both are filled at the same pressure in separate cylinders. So, applied pressure is also same, that is delta VA equal to delta VB. Now, we already seen that delta V is area into displacement, that is area of the first cylinder, that is area of A, into x of A, that is the displacement, is equal to area of B into displacement x B. Now, area is pi r a square, area is pi r square, that is pi r a square into x A is equal to pi r b square into x B. So, pi cancels from both the sides. So, R A divided by R B, we have to find R A by R B. R A divided by R B whole square is equal to x B by x A. So, from here R A by R B, R A divided by R B is equal to root over x B by x A. Now, x A and x B are given, that is the pistons of gas A and B are displaced by 16 centimeter and 9 centimeter. So, the piston of A is 16 centimeter and B is 9 centimeter. So, XB is 9 and XA is 16, that is 9 by 16. So, root over 9 by 16 is 3 by 4. So, RA is to RB is 3 by 4. That is option 2 here is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.